So, hi everyone. So, this time I will be um, doing our practice interview for being an ESL teacher. Okay. So, usually, guys, they're not opening their cameras. So, that will be a benefit for you not to, not to panic because sometimes usually we have this panic mode once we see someone in the other or in front of us. Okay, but yeah, so usually they're not having their cameras on. So this time, I will be asking you questions, okay, and also provide you some tips how to answer it. So this time, let's have this personal background information. So tell me about yourself. So usually this question can be answered like, "Hi, my name is Christine Sablayan. I came from Bukidnon, and um, I have teaching background if you have, but if you don't have, honestly, I don't have any teaching background, and but I am willing to learn. Um, I know that ESL is um, teaching kids, adults, and professionals, but I know I can manage it. And even though I'm newbie to this industry, I know that I can make it because I have also experiences like teaching my nieces, my nephews, my cousins, or even my colleagues or my classmates. Okay, so you need to, sell yourself. So even though you don't have any experience, just tell it directly, and then tell them that I love teaching kids, I love imparting my knowledge, and even though this is not my subject that I'm studying, but still I know how to speak English and teach kids or teach lessons. So that's how you're gonna um, tell yourself or sell yourself. Okay. So who recommended you to our company? Princess recommended me to your company. She's seen it on Facebook. That's it. How do you see yourself 5 years from now? So from this, um, it would be a benefit from the company. Okay, do not say it's for your benefit. Of course, they're asking it for you to check your loyalty if you are going to rely to the company for how many long years. So even if maybe thinking for another thing in your back of your head, of course you need to think that that question is for the benefit of the company, and for you to pass as well, you need to sell yourself and you need to check your loyalty. So you need to say your loyalty about the company. So how do you see yourself 5 years from now? You will say that um, I'm seeing myself 5 years from now being a manager in this company or maybe a supervisor if you have that ranks, or maybe in the higher ups rather than teaching kids, or aside, let's say aside from teaching kids, meaning you are not leaving a teacher, still you're open to recommendation or higher positions, but still teaching kids because that's what you're applying right now, right? So it's aside from teaching kids. Do you plan to continue studying or working in your chosen career after graduation? So what you gonna say? Still, it's the benefit of the company. Always think about the benefit of the company, even you have your own plans. Okay. So no, I'm not thinking about studying or working to the company or to the career that I am right now, because of course I'm thinking about, or I am enjoying kids, something like that. Okay, so at least they don't hint that, oh, I think her loyalty is not true, something like that. So, um, you know, think about what are their benefit to you. So, because I said that maybe 5 years from now, I want to be a manager or supervisor in this company. So, I'm not continuing studying to my